My name is Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this gorgeous Disney collab with Raven. If you guys have not checked out Raven's channel and her Instagram page, please go check it out. She is honestly amazing and so beautiful, and all her little Disney stuff are so bomb and cute. So if you guys have not checked her out, go and do so. Comment down below before you actually look through the video. Comment down below who you think I am. I am actually going to... Actually, you know what? You might read it from the title. So you can probably already guess who I am then, since, you know, you're reading it from the title. I am Jane from Tarzan. This is the cute little inspiration picture that I thought would be so cute. Although I might not look 100% like Jane, I still kind of like did the little hair, so you're gonna see that in a little bit. The makeup does look very simple, but it's also super cute too. So I want to kind of see how to like bring forth the simple and like the complicated together to start off, maybe like a lot easier for people or have like a beginner's type. I am kind of reworking my Instagram a little bit to add in more videos for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and let's get on to the video. Are you ready to rumba? Hello babes. So today we are going to be using the Plouise base in Rumor 2. In another video I will show you how I apply it completely, but for right now I'm just tapping it into both eyes, making sure that it is set, because the way you set it is by tapping it. So I just wanted to make sure that that's in. And now I'm taking a Morphe M441 brush and the James Charles palette in the shade B. And I am going to be packing it onto my lid. So I'm trying to find different techniques and how to do it effectively. So usually with both the Plouise base in Rumor 2 and the James Charles palette, I've noticed that packing it on at first helps the pigment come on a little bit stronger, as well as blend nicely. And then now I am going in to do the cut crease with the Plouise base in Rumor 2. Please avoid my funky little faces I get in the moment. But I do want to do more cut crease series later on, so stay tuned for that as well. New things coming in. Now I'm going back into B from the James Charles palette, and I'm trying to blend the colors together, blend the set cut crease and the yellow. And now I'm going to go into Sisters. So Sisters, it's a little bit different because this shade, it looks white off camera right now, but if you move a little bit, it does come off a little bit pink. And now I'm using the Bad Gal mascara by Benefit, just applying that to the lashes, and voila! Lashes perfect. Now I'm going to go into Makeup Shack pencil brush in T8. I am putting B all over the lower lash line. And now the beauty, the amazing So Hollywood Pigment by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh my god, babes. This is a game changer. I love this pigment. I've never really bought the So Hollywood actual highlight, but the pigment itself just looks so beautiful, and it applies very nice and very smooth. So I'm putting that on the high points of my cheeks, as well as my lip, a little bit on my chin, and then on my ears. I do go down my neck, but for right now we're not going to do that. Now I'm going to go into Whirl by MAC, MAC Cosmetics, and I did it a little bit rushed because no one got time for that. And now I'm going to go into Myrrh So Myrrh is a little bit pinker than the original shade I had put on, and I felt like that put the look together a little bit better than the original shade. So there, I'm just like adjusting myself. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions about this look. I did want to keep it a little bit short and simple. And boom. You know, I love how you can just change in a snap and it's all through just YouTube, well, editing. But now I'm gonna go into the hair. So I also wanted to do a simple little hair tutorial. I'm going to pick up, I don't have any bangs actually, and she does. So I did just get 2 little pieces from the front of my head. Made sure they're even. Now I got hair all over my face. I know, don't worry, it's okay. Now I'm getting a little clip, and I am going to fix the hair. And so you see that line that is there up top? I'm going to take that away because in the picture she does not have that hair there. Jane doesn't have like that line to separate the hair. So I wanted to make sure that I don't have that either. So, you know, adjusting it as best I could because, you know, I'm not perfect little Disney princess, but you know, we gotta make it as good as we can. It's okay if you don't make it as perfect because girl, I always have things just not perfect at all. Literally, me is like not perfection. Like the opposite of perfection is Victoria Nicole in the dictionary, I swear. So you see that there's a huge bump on my head? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna fix that. And then look, one side falls, so I kind of had to redo a piece of it. As you can see by the process of this is always very challenging, but you know, there you go. The beauty always comes out good in the end, no matter if there's something, you know, off or anything. It's always beautiful no matter what, so just enjoy the process. Alright, so before I go, I wanted to add a little bit more of a highlight. You know me, highlight is my life. So Hollywood is so beautiful that I want to put it all over my body. The beauty is real. Mwah. So this is the beautiful end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Over time, I will start incorporating more talk throughs in a shorter distance, but I'm kind of figuring out my lenses and all that. I want to buy a new lens. I currently have my big lens. I think it's 35 to 250 Canon lens. And I actually want to change it to an STM lens. If you guys don't know what that is, it's like a silencer kind of, so when it like moves, well, regardless, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys have not checked out Raven, go check her out right now. She is amazing, and all her Disney inspired looks look so cute. Also, if you guys have not already checked out my other socials, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, check them out right now, as well as if you guys have not already, hit the subscribe button, go ahead, gives it a thumbs up if you like this video and you want me to do more of these type of Disney style videos. Let me know what's your favorite Disney princess. I don't know if Jane is considered a princess or not, but hey, that's the question I'm asking. What's your favorite princess? Let me know in the comments. What other characters or Disney inspired looks do you want me to do? Let me know down below. I love you guys. Bye.